Hi, in this video, we'll create a JavaScript program that replaces every character in a string with the next one in the alphabet. This includes a fun twist. Vowels are converted to uppercase. Our task is to transform each character into its next alphabetic equivalent, while converting the vowels to uppercase. We'll also handle edge cases like wrapping Z around A. Here's the main function. Letter changes. It splits the string into characters, shifts them forward, handles edge cases, and converts vowels to uppercase before rejoining the characters. First, we split the string. Then we handle special cases for Z and Z. Shift characters forward, convert vowels to uppercase, and finally, join the array back into a string. In this example, the word Python is transformed to the string output. As each letter shifts forward by 1, notice that there are no vowels in this case. For the string W3R, the letters are shifted forward, while the numbers remains unchanged. This demonstrates how the function handles non-alphabetic characters. The ES6 version simplifies the function using an arrow function, and this includes methods to check for vowels. It's a modern approach to writing clean and concise JavaScript. In summary, our letter change function efficiently shifts letters, handles edge cases, and makes vowels stand out by converting them to uppercase. It's a great exercise in string manipulation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you next time.